These heat pumps are made in Mexico by Nortec Global HVAC and the units are only available through dealers in the USA. All of the units feature all aluminum microchannel coils that resist corrosion, but they use a wire grill with a plastic mesh screen to protect the condenser coil. That does not do very much to protect the coil fins from mechanical damage due to hail or debris from lawnmowers. They offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 20 kilowatts to provide emergency heating and have installed filter dryers to protect the refrigerant system from the effects of moisture. These heat pumps use R-410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R-32. The Q94RD models are basic units with a 13.4 CR2 cooling efficiency and a 6.7 HSPF2 heating efficiency rating, but they are relatively loud with a 79 decibel sound rating. They have round duct openings and are for slab mounting, while the Q104SD models are basic heat pumps that are designed for roof mounting. The units are backed by a very good warranty that includes unit replacement in case of compressor failure within 10 years of installation. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.